everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Julie and this is...
I'm Robert.
And we're actually doing this, I think, maybe for 2 channels?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. It's
We'll
our
see.
thing.
We'll see. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're doing a small grocery haul. Not really a small grocery haul. It's a bulk grocery haul.
Yep.
Every 3 to 4 months, we go in and we buy groceries, bulk buy our groceries, like the butter, chips, peanut butter, cheese, meats, stuff like that, because it's cheaper. And we figured this lasts us about 4 months, and it's like $65 a month. And we fill in little places as we go along, like our sandwich meat and our breads and stuff like that, we fill in. But other than that, we keep our pantry stocked. Like his sister will buy the canned goods, the pastas, the paper towels, stuff like that she'll buy. And then we buy the bulk of it. And so we've been doing that for what? Maybe
Ever.
2 years?
Ever.
About 2 years now.
Yeah, ever. Forever.
So anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and we're going to show y'all what we use. Or should I just point it toward there?
Go like this. This is cheese that we do. However you want to do it.
Okay, so now what are we going to start with, Robert?
We're going to start with cheese because we got a lot of cheese. Cheese and meat. So we got 4 pounds of sharp cheddar cheese in the blocks. And I don't know how much that cost us. I'd have to look. I have my receipt right here.
Good thing I cleaned this week, huh?
And it cost us, oh, no, anyway, I don't know. We'll have to go over the bill when we
Let me
get through.
see it.
Here's the bill. And then, then we got 27 ounces, a pound 7, about a pound and a half. No, about 27 ounces.
That was $7.24 a bag
Nearly
of cheese.
2 pounds of string cheese sticks.
That's
These are
not
snacks
string
we
cheese,
do at
that's
lunch.
just regular cheese.
Yeah, and then we like smoked sausage, so we'll have it with all kinds of things. Potatoes.
And that was $6.98 for what, 3? So that gives us 3 meals.
2.5, a little over 2.5 pounds.
Is there 3 things there?
And 1, 2, 3, yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. So
Three
that'll give
chunks
us
of
give
sausage.
us 3 meals.
Yeah.
And that was
then
7.
We do the hot dog thing, and it's gluten-free, artificial flavors, no colors, no MSG. It's chicken, pork, and it's a hot dog, man.
$6.64 for 40, and that gives us 6 into 40 goes.
6 into 40, 6 goes roughly 7 times.
So that gives us 7 different meals.
7 meals. And then, for some reason, it is football season.
Yes.
So we got some wings.
We got some chicken wings.
Wangs.
And the chicken wings were...
There's 3 pounds here of wangs. I don't know.
$14.92. No. I don't know.
Anyway, the next thing we got is we got 4 pounds of
Butter.
butter.
For 14.
I don't know what we do if we go for butter, but we go through butter like Grant went through Richmond. So
That was $14.92.
So, and then, you've all been wondering, where's the beef? Here's the beef. And this is, what, 90-10?
Yes.
90-10 hamburger meat. And this log's about a little over $45, but...
The 80-20 was $42. For $3 more, I get the more lean meat.
Less fat.
Less fat. Yeah, sometimes I have to put olive oil in it, but that's not a big thing. Because I normally don't have to do that. So
What do we get, 10 pounds?
Uh-huh.
So 10 pounds, you figure a quarter-pound hamburger, there's 4 of them, so this is 40 hamburgers, roughly, right here. And it comes in 1 block, and we use it everything from spaghetti to all different kinds of things, hamburgers to whatever. This is our go-to general meat.
Yes.
So
And I like the 90-10 because, like I said, it's
leaner.
leaner.
And then you get the fat.
Then we get the pork loin.
And what we do with this...
The pork loin was what, $19, $18?
$18.81. And it's 8.25 pounds. And what we do with this, we chop this up into pork chops. And we'll make fried pork chops or baked pork chops. We'll make
Smothered pork chops.
smothered pork chops. So you figured this thing is about the same as that hamburger meat, so it probably makes us 36 pork chops out of it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
I do 6 pork chops per package, so that'll give us what, 6 meals.
And then our stock staple, we found this. I hadn't seen these there before. I've seen them at Walmart, but these are Jack original thin pizzas. They're cheapy pizzas, but they're really good. And so if you want something a little better than the Tortinos or something like that, but you don't want to spend as much as for the Red Baron or that kind of thing.
And these were $11.88, which was like $2.59 a piece, which is what it pretty much. It's more than that in the stores now.
Yeah, they're like $5 a piece in the stores, so or $4 a piece. So that's a real good deal on these. And I mean, they're simple. They're going to be pepperoni and cheese, and they're quick. You throw it in the oven and you snack on it. So if you want to make dinner, you throw a salad with it, and you're good.
Now for
I am a chocoholic. The fifth food group is chocolate, and what we do is
those were $9.48.
These are $9.48, and you get 2 of them. And what we do is we go to Brahms and get ice cream. We used to go to Dairy Queen and get what do you call them? What are those things?
Blizzards.
Blizzards. And for the price of getting a Blizzard, we can go to Brahms, get 4 gallons, half gallons of ice cream, and then I'll get the vanilla and I'll chunk the chocolate out. And sometimes
we get the sugar-free.
Yeah, we get the sugar-free ice cream. And then what I'll do is, if I feel like being a bad boy, what I'll do is I'll take and get the chocolate, and I'll double chocolate it. So we got a lot of chocolate. And then, like I said, I'm a chocoholic.
I made his last bag last night, and this has lasted us three months.
Yeah, so this is our chocolate, Hershey's chocolate, triple chocolate. It's sinful.
$9.38.
But it's good. I get that from my mother. Okay. Now, one of the things I discovered the other day is I'm not a big fan of pork and beans, but I've ate pork and beans all my life. But if I take and mix some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce in it, instantly I got barbecue baked beans. Unless
I make them. You like mine.
Yeah, but I mean, unless you got homemade. Baked beans. So this is pretty good, and this can go on the pork chops, it can go on hamburgers, it can go on just about everything. But it goes really good in baked beans. I mean, in pork and beans.
And that was $6.79 for 2, which was like 4.
Yeah, I don't know if you priced a jar of mayonnaise, but a jar of mayonnaise is $10 now. Okay. For some reason, she bought taco seasoning, which is okay because taco seasoning.
It's for the taco soup.
For the taco soup, okay. I like tacos, and I like.
You like the way I make tacos with the natural seasoning.
But I don't like the seasoning that like Taco Bell you put in there that overpowers and doesn't taste like beef. That's how you mask the actual beef. But she bought taco seasoning for taco soup, and guess what?
We got $1 off on that.
It's getting cold.
$6.98, so we paid $5.98 for that.
It's getting colder weather right now, so it's taco soup weather. Really,
and potato soup weather.
And chicken and dumpling weather. And okay.
We didn't get the cheddar.
Cheddar what?
I didn't get the cheddar, Red Lobster cheddar.
Cheddar biscuits?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have to tell Renee. Anyway.
$8.88.
This is heavy whipping cream.
I use that in my coffee.
Whip it good. Okay, so.
I know, he doesn't.
Take that cream.
Now these are bacon crumbles.
I'm abnormal. I can live without bacon, but bacon crumbles are handy for everything.
But those I use in the potato soup.
Yeah.
And so what I'll do is I'll bag them up into different baggies, and I'll put them back in the freezer. Then that way we always have them, and they won't go bad. Our favorite.
I suffer from low blood sugar, and sometimes I got to eat something and eat it quick. So these things are really, really, really handy. because you can just, if you feel you got a headache coming on or something like that, you can whip one out and you got it. You got it taken care of. But she eats these because, why do you eat these?
Why do I eat them?
Yeah.
That is for one of my filler meals.
Okay, so it gives her a little bit of what, protein and stuff?
Yeah, it gives me protein, but it also, it's like, I don't feel like I'm being guilty of eating one.
Oh, okay.
And I can eat one of those like during the day, and it'll get me through.
Okay, that explains that.
That's why I get so many of them. I get the big box because it's the dollar. Because the ones that you get at Walmart are like 6 to 8, and those are 40. So
this is the real. Was it conundrum? Is that the word you use for issue or problem? This was, they had 72 of these, and they had a bag of Maker's Mark type cheese that was 160 slices. That was a little bit less. You got more cheese, but it cost about the same as 2 of these.
It was $17.82 for 160. It was. I just had it. $9.36 for 72. Individually wrapped. The other ones were not individually wrapped.
Yeah, the others were not the others were not individually wrapped. So that's part of the problem. That's why we went with these. These are Kraft. The others were Maker's Mark, which probably means they're Land O'Lakes, which I like Land O'Lakes. We call them Laughing Out Loud.
But it just when it stays in the
wrapper, it stays longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what this.
It doesn't stick together.
So you should have been there at Sam's with us trying to figure out exactly what we were going to do for cheese.
Coffee.
The Colombians make more addicting stuff than you think, and this is one of the most addicting things that Colombians make. Okay? This is her coffee, and without her coffee and without her array of coffee cups, she goes absolutely.
That was $17.98 for
that fly is bugging me.
2.5 pounds, but it's beans, which means it's more than a thing of coffee.
Yeah, so what she does is she grinds her own beans.
Yeah, I grind my beans.
I grind my teeth. She grinds her beans. Okay, and on the border style, cafe style, Mexican grill style.
Chips. The best ones to buy.
Yeah, so these are what keeps her happy during the day. So
I can eat those without feeling guilty. And those were, where were they? $4.48.
$4.48, and she got 2 bags? Okay.
And those last me a long time.
Then it's football season.
And those are yours.
It's football season. So this is sit on the couch, vegetate, and watch football.
$9.98.
Football
for
season.
2 bags. 2 family size bags.
Watch football. And football. That's what these are. That we're going to do that. And 2 bags. I don't know if you've seen the little boxes of these. The little boxes are what, $5 in some places. So how much we pay for these?
$9.98. And that's 2 family packs.
2 family packs. So this is pretty good size.
A family pack at Walmart for a big one like that is like $7.
It's a pain and a it's a pain. It's a pound and a half. So
I figured that we save money there.
Football. Yeah. Okay. Football. All right. And then after we get through with all this other stuff and we're done with it, we got trash bags. And these are Members Mark trash bags.
And they were $17.98.
33 gallon, 90 count. A little better buy than what you get at Walmart.
Well, they had the 90 count hefty for
hefty.
24. They had these for what did I say, 19? And so these were the same size, same price, the same thickness as those.
And it's the Power Flex. We bought some from Walmart a couple months ago.
She bought them from Ollie's.
Oh, she bought them from Ollie's.
And they're crap.
You could sneeze and blow a hole in them. they were terrible. And everybody was saying those are the greatest. No. But these, since we got a lot of stuff that's weird, the stretch and flexible Power Flex in the bag makes a big difference because it stretches without breaking. And if we can get these, we like these, I think, the best.
Yeah.
And is that all of our...
I think that's it.
Guess what? We're done.
That's our haul.
We hauled it all. So, this is going to be on 2 channels?
We can do it on 2 channels.
We're going to have it in stereo. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So...
No, hold on. You hold it?
No, I don't want to hold it. You're doing a great job of it.
Let me pull it out. There we go.
Oh.
That sounds bad.
That's not bad.
It's not bad. I promise. We'll trust.
That's Julie.
That's
I'm embarrassed now. I'm Robert.
He's as red as that. Cheez-Its.
And guess what? You'll see this on Julie's channel.
And our channel.
And you'll see it on our channel. Tell them about your channel.
I've got cooking clean with Julie B.
And this goes on. It's our thing channel also, so you'll see it maybe in 2 places.
Yep.
If you don't, hey, take a look, follow us, like us, do whatever.
And if you have suggestions of what you want us to do on It's Our Thing, let us know. I mean, because we're up to new things.
I'm going to stand on my head for a subscriber. I don't know.
Well, what we could do is a live maybe. Y'all let us know.
Let us know. Hey,
Anyway.
and we'll catch you later. But that's our haul for the week for Sam's.
Yep.
Maybe for the month.
Now for the next 2 or 3 months.
Never works out that way.
Yeah, it does, because we haven't been to Sam's in over 3 months.
Yeah, we have.
No, we haven't.
I feel the pain.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway.
Anyway, he don't know. I know.
It's our thing. We'll see you later.
We'll see y'all later. Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye.
Bye.